Right, very straightforward three-stage method to answering questions like this on ratio. First of all, you need to find out how many equal parts you need to divide the total quantity into. So with this question, we have to divide the £140 into 7 equal parts, because you got one side of the ratio needing 5 of the parts, the other 2. So to work out the number of parts, you add the ratio together. So we need 7 equal parts. So each part will be worth £20. And then in this instance, the first part of the ratio needs 5 lots of £20, and the second part of the ratio needs 2 lots of £20. And then you can always check you're right, because when you add your ratio together, it should come to the total, which it does in this case. When they give the question a context, like in question 2, an alloy is made by combining tin and copper in the ratio of 3 to 5. The order that the words are written correspond to the order that the ratio is with it. So in this particular case, tin gets 3 parts of the total and copper will get 5 parts of the total. Method's the same. Add the parts of your ratio together. So we got 8 parts. Work out how much each part gets. So in this case it will be 240 divided by 8. So 30 kilograms in each part. So tin is the 3. So tin gets 3 lots of 30, which is 90 kilograms, and copper gets 5 lots of 30, which is 150 kilograms. And again, if you add 90 and 150, you get your 240, so you know that you're right. Ratios don't only have to be split into 2 bits. As you can see in question 3, this particular one has 3 parts of the ratio. The number of parts is the same, the way that you work that out. So we need 4 plus 5 plus 7, 16 equal parts, and each of those equal parts get 4,000 in this case, divided by 16, £250 per part. Now again, the order is important. So Denise comes first. So Denise gets 4 parts. So she's going to have 4 lots of 250. Is £1,000. Heather comes next. Heather gets 5 parts. So she's going to get £1,250, and Alice will get 7 parts, which is £1,750. Same method for question 4. Total number of parts will be 4 plus 5 plus 9, so that's going to give us 18 parts. Each part, this time they're splitting 3,600. So that's £200 per part. Arwen is first. So Arwen gets 4 lots of 200. So he gets £800. Then comes Betty, who gets 5 lots of 200, 1,000, and finally Clive gets 9 lots of 200, which is £1,800.